Hey, what's up, y'all? Mess in my room, but I just recorded a video, right? Riding the rancher, and that junk. Then it's, hey, bro, my GoPro was tripping because it was on low battery, so I plugged it in down there. Ignore the mess, like I said. So I don't think I'll make a riding video today because I need to add oil to my 4-wheeler, but I'll show y'all some of the stuff I ordered off Amazon. So right here, I ain't even pulled it out the box yet, but like, that's a sub box for 4/8. Those right here, I've been working on them. They had a couple of holes in them like that. I done patched them. I got to patch the inside tomorrow. I'm letting that seal dry, so they should be good now. I'm just doing the inside for extra protection. Then I got an exhaust tip right here, 4.5 inch. It's pretty nice. It's just a clamp on. I might weld it. I ain't made up my mind. Show my feet. Sub wire. I have a steering wheel cover, but it's in the truck. But I ain't been in the truck yet. I got a tar amp, base 3K. Arguably one of the best amps on the market. Got it to run with it. But yeah, I was just gonna show y'all that. Sorry about the video not saving. I'll upload a 4-wheeler video Sunday or Monday. So yeah, peace.